Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new series. From today, we have started a new series. The series is about Google Analytics 4. So from now onwards, we'll try to cover all the necessary topics of Google Analytics 4. Okay, so we'll have a great journey together. So let's get started with the first topic. What is Google Analytics 4? Google Analytics 4 is an analytics service that enables you to measure traffic and engagement across your websites and apps. At its core, Google Analytics 4 is focused on providing more data throughout the entire life cycle of the customer journey. In other words, more data is available after a customer has been acquired, including their level of engagement, monetization, and retention. Formerly known as App plus Web, Google Analytics 4 is a new property that came out of the beta in October 2020. One of the main reasons for this upgrade that Google cites in their announcement is due to shifts in customer behavior and significant changes to online privacy policies. Okay, so let's get to know how does Google Analytics 4 work. So if I go to the official documentation of GA4, then we can see GA4 introducing the next generation of analytics, Google Analytics 4. Explore Google Analytics 4, the next generation of analytics which collects event-based data from both websites and apps. So those are the ways how Google Analytics 4 works. So let's read them. Collects both websites and app data to better understand the customer journey. Uses event-based data instead of session-based. Includes privacy controls such as cookieless measurement and behavioral and conversion modeling. Predictive capabilities offer guidance without complex model. Direct integrations to media platform help drive actions on your website or app. So on July 1, 2023, standard universal analytics property will no longer process data. That means the previous version of Google Analytics 4, which is called Universal Analytics, will stop gathering data from July 1, 2023. So it is high time for all the business owners to shift towards Google Analytics 4. Okay. So they have given us some instruction that how we can set up Google Analytics property. So you can follow this doc. Okay. So yeah, hopefully you have a clear understanding on what is Google Analytics and how does it work. Okay. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. Okay. You have a good day then. Bye bye.